Great men rise, but even the mightiest fall. What remains is not their power, but the legacy they leave behind. This is not just history, it's a mirror, asking us, what will we leave when we are gone? How we lead. How we live. And what we leave behind define us more than the victories we win. Power fades. Glory passes. But a legacy will last forever. Will your legacy build or destroy? Will it bring peace, or chaos?
My name is Nosa. This is the concluding part of my story. This is Alexandria, where his dream turned into reality. A city where the world meets. A city of knowledge. It is here that I see the best of Alexander. And yet, I cannot forget the worst. India broke us. The jungles, the rivers, the endless battles. We fought kingdoms we barely understood. Alexander pushed us to our limits and beyond. He became more ruthless, more paranoid. He began to see enemies everywhere, even among his own men. He killed those he once called friends. He said it was for the good of the army, for the mission. But I saw fear in his eyes. Fear that his empire would crumble if he didn't control everything and everyone. By the time we reached Babylon, he was no longer the man I followed in Egypt. He was a shadow of himself, burdened by the weight of his conquests. We all became confused. That night was the night I can't forget in a hurry. They carried him into the tent, the greatest king, trembling like a leaf in the wind. I knew then, death comes for even the mighty. I was there, far from my homeland. We were part of his grand army, men from every corner of the earth. But in Babylon, the man who conquered nations could not conquer death. Fever had taken him. His strength was gone. Yet, his eyes, they burned. He called for his generals, whispered his last orders, and spoke of dreams that would never be. We all waited for his final words. To the strongest, he said. And just like that, the lion's roar became a whisper. His death broke us. And when he died, so did his dream of a united world. The unity he built began to crumble. Ambition took over. Chaos followed. This city, this place where ideas flourish, where people from all corners of the earth come together, that is Alexander's gift. However, the countless lives lost. The cultures erased. The wounds that still haven't healed, that is his curse. I learned something that day. Greatness isn't just about conquering lands. It's about what you leave behind, peace, purpose, or chaos. Alexander's empire was vast, but his death showed us no man is invincible. Power fades. But what matters is the mark you leave on the hearts of those who follow. What can we learn from this story? Always remember that greatness without balance is dangerous. Alexander built bridges between worlds, but he burned many along the way. His vision for unity left behind scars as deep as his achievements were high. We must understand that true greatness lies not just in what you create, but in how you create it. Leaders must remember that the people who follow them are not just tools for their ambition, they are the heart of their legacy. To rule is not to conquer, it is to serve. Never forget this, the cost of ambition must never outweigh the value of humanity.